say as a reminder, remember our content here for educational purposes only. And remember, guys, Beyond Meat before the Thanksgiving and before the weekend or the time off from trading tomorrow, guys, because the market will be closed for tomorrow. Beyond Meat, we got Santa blessing. We might have a Christmas came early for you Beyond Meat and Squeeze, because as you see here, we jumped, even though the market is pulling back right now, turning a bit in red. But Beyond Meat doing all right, almost 4%, is getting near the breakout zone before the end of trading session. For technically this week, your Friday market will be open, but half the day before December, guys. So this is might be the last fight in November for Beyond Meat. If we're gonna have a squeeze, we might have it today. First sign, guys, we have a new level where the short seller added their position for Beyond Meat around the $93. So be careful, guys. $93. It is the level where we might squeeze for Beyond Meat. For now, we've got how much we should do. We should do another 5%, so in total almost 8% in order to start the squeezing. After that, the main squeeze zone is 25% up, or in total will be almost 35%, around the $1.19. $1.19 should be the trigger for the first squeeze for Beyond Meat. But I put it around almost the 94 because this is the nearest place where the first level for the short seller have to cover over there. And the other thing, guys, that we have to discuss is we got a 1 hour green candle closing over this white line. What does it mean? Because last time we didn't have this candle. Usually we had a wick and the price go down. Wick, rejection, go down. Here, wick, price go down. Again, this is the fifth time or fourth wick go down. Now we have something different, which is a huge full green candle closing over this white line, which is give us the first confirmation for a breakout from the white line. Now we need the second confirmation breaking this new orange line to make the short cover and go at least 25% up from this breakout zone around the 119. This is, if it happened today, would be even great, because we might start the next month in December with a bang. Not small bang, but a big bang that make the short cover and give us the 50% that we waiting for around the $1.50 before the end of this month, everybody.